Hey guys, welcome to Injustice Gods Among Us. I'm here with Godrick.
Hello.
And what we're gonna do is we're gonna do hero against nemesis or by hero. What's the word?
Hero against villain, and they have to be arch nemesis. So, for example, we've got the Green Lantern, and then we've got Sinestro, and then
and it'll be like So that's what we're gonna do, and we'll see who can win. Obviously, it's not always about the power; it's who can actually beat each other between us. So,
but let's just be honest. We all know from the movies that fear is stronger than will. So I'm gonna win. Oh, by the way, I'm picking all the bad guys, and as Noid is such a nice guy, he's picking all the good guys.
Right, you get to choose the area. You do get to choose the area, apparently.
Right, okay.
I think I get to vote. Oh, we get to vote. So which one are we picking?
One of the
say you pick one, and I pick one, and then I think
should we not play where they actually battle?
It's gonna quite hard to find that though. I think it's Atlantis. No, that's
no,
because there's Wayne Manor and everything as well. So it looks like it's not actually everywhere. Alright, so you choose one and I choose one, and I think it does a random choice out of the two. I'm gonna do Batcave. Oh, actually, yeah, it does that.
Hall of Justice. Yes. Ironic. The bad guy gets the Hall of Justice. Why would I want to come here?
I don't get the two, like, once it starts, look up in the corner and there's two big guys fighting. I don't understand that. Someone explain that to me.
I think it's because they just have other superheroes fighting in the background, just to have a background rather than, like, planes going past or something. Yeah. So, like, for example, you've got Ant-Man there and the other big lady person.
Here you go.
Round one. Fight.
Come here. Damn it.
Remember, fear always wins. Be afraid. Be very afraid.
I don't understand all of them. Okay. What's the...
Neither do I.
I'm trying to think of famous sayings from the movies, but I can't think of any.
With great power comes great response. That's Marvel. Or you could do the superhero movie version. With great power comes bitches. So, out of this, although we're playing DC right now, who is your favourite, Marvel or DC?
Stop spamming the button!
Oh, what an amazing... Okay. Sorry, I had to spam it for the last few kills. That was awesome.
There's things you can press around the area, so... Come at me, bro. Come at me.
No, I'm scared. Now watch me whip. Now watch me nanny. Oh, stay, button spam. Oh, what the hell, man?
L2 and R2 to do your special.
Oh, L2 and R2. Okay, there's buses. Yep, right, okay, now there's planes. Oh, ironic.
Stop. No.
Oh!
No!
What the hell?
You failed yours, yes. Good. No! The hero's gonna die.
Yes!
Oh!
Look at that! Now the world's dead, thanks to me. Boom.
Damn it. Yeah.
Well, that was the first battle. Very good battle indeed.
So now... Oh, I'm on that side. Wrong side. So I'm... Who's this? Shazam. See, I've never heard of him.
I mean, not.
No.
Shazam.
Right. I'm gonna vote. So, I'm gonna go.
You're gonna get it this time. It's just gonna swap about. I get it, then you get it, then I get it. Oh wait, no, I get it.
It does a random. It really does a random. I don't want to spend too long in videos choosing the map, so I'm quickly like, quick, choose that one.
I know, because everyone just wants to see me kick his ass.
I have returned.
I don't get that. It's like he just turns into a man. It's like he skipped puberty. Why can't I skip puberty? God. Oh, I'm Black Adam, by the way, guys. Look at the way I just sort of walk over to you. Even though I'm getting my ass kicked, I'm like, hey, you gonna fuck with me? What the hell, man?
Oh, screw you.
Boom.
When did you get your special?
I've always been special.
Wait, how did you say Shazam?
I don't know.
I thought I was Shazam.
Maybe he was like Shazam, isn't it?
Oh,
Don't try and hit me with that. Button spam, button spam, button spam. I was just letting you look like you were going to win. I want the good guy to look like he was actually good. You was both trying to button spam there. I like the way it doesn't like split around.
You just walked away. Oh, what?
Boom! Look at me. Heart beating. A little tiny bit. Nah. You want some? Ooh. My sister taught me how to fight. Watch. I'm gonna slap you. Oh no.
I just learned how to grab, so I won.
Yeah, I like the way that it doesn't really end the round as if it stops and it's like round 2. In a sense. Like it saves time. That's kind of taking the fun out of like, you are on 2. Fight! I keep on boot slapping you. The hell, man? I hurt my back.
I was doing so well at the start. What happened?
Now you're screwed. Whoa! Oh no.
Oh.
Dead. Villains
Again.
win again!
Alright, you killed him.
Yeah, you're going a bit far.
He's a really... He's evil.
I feel kind of bad now. I'm sorry for being bad, guys, but I'm going to have to stick with it.
Well, I thought, like, in the movies, like, they never actually wanted to kill the people. That's just crazy. Oh wait, I'm on the wrong side. So I'm Hawk Girl.
And I'm the Muffin Man. Back, Dave. Oh.
Yes, Ark.
Finally, you got one. I'm kind of glad you got one.
Okay, so this should be interesting. I never really understood Hawk Girl. Like, how did she become what she is?
A hawk bear.
I know not a lot about DC, to be honest. I'm more of a Marvel person. I do like Batman, though.
I like the Joker.
That should be an epic battle then when it comes to it. Bane's actually...
Oh, you're a girl. You're going to beat me. Girls are always the best in this. With the right person. They're just so quick.
You have to fly up to get me.
I still feel kind of like sexist about this, like when it's a girl and a boy superhero fighting, I'm just like, the boy superhero should be fighting another boy superhero, not a girl. Like, it's so weird. Can I like, please, like, get a chance? I'm like so slow. Like, one hit takes off so much health off of you, but like, when do I get that hit? Come here, you slut.
Ah, you grabbed me, so I couldn't block it.
Boom.
Ouch.
Oh, it's not going to take up any more health anyway. Oh, crap. Could have used that at a more convenient time.
Yeah, could have.
Hello. Good window shooter. Oh. Is it me you're looking for? Fuck. Hey, no. You're just going to use that thing.
Come at me, bruh. Come at me, big guy.
Yeah.
Ow. That was quite epic.
Ah, no. Boom! Finally! Oh, wow. Oh! No!
Oh,
Yes! 19 seconds left.
Come at me, bruh.
Bing win. Boom! Dead
The
again.
bad guys are really...
3
Oh,
bad guy
gee.
kills. Oh wow, this is getting brutal. Look at the doctor just watching.
I generally actually thought he was going to stab her.
Oh, that's a bit
Whoa.
far. You're exceeding
I know
the
you're, you know, a villain and all, but come on. You don't need to go that far. Otherwise it's going to get gruesome. Okay,
just,
so it's now Raven against Doomsday.
Oh, why do I always have to be the big fat guys?
Raven.
Okay, I'm going to choose
Fortress of Solitude.
Tigers Island.
Ooh, look
See, I've been trying to get you to the side of the place, because if you jump over them, press X and hold back, it gives them a big wallop and you can knock them into a different place.
Alright, okay.
Pretty cool, so we should
What
try
do
and
we do?
fight near. You jump over, press X in the direction away from where the edge is, and then it knocks them through. So, we should try that and see
Oh,
if we can get each
Raven,
other.
yeah. She's so fast. She's like so good.
Stop spamming the button.
Actually, I press square, square, X there.
Oh, you can press circle by the way, and
Look at you trying to get me over to the edge. You come to me.
I'm not getting you over to the edge, I'm trying to get you here. Come on, bro. Stop hitting me over there!
Damn. Oh, hell no. Oh, that's fine, it's wasted anyway.
It looks cool anyway.
Yep. That's the first time you've ever won the first round.
I'm scared.
I've got longer arms than you.
That's not fair.
Be afraid. Be very afraid. Round 2. Fight. No, no! Ugh. What do you do if you just like heard me like go rower? Quite funny. What the hell was that? Damn little girl.
Damn it!
Boom. Boom.
Alright, okay.
Fire isn't that? I don't want to hurt you that much. I want to get a good battle at the end of this. Oh, hell no. Oh, crap. You may
come
win
on.
this.
Yes!
No!
Finally!
Look
the
at her,
heroes
look
have
at-
won!
Look at her health, though. You have, like, nothing left. Wait, she's a hero.
I never understood that either, because if you play the story mode for this, she's actually on the bad side. So who knows?
Well, that's the first superhero win, but it was basically a defeat. You may as well count it as a defeat.
I'm not counting that as a defeat. I might never win. So,
But as this video is getting quite long, should we have a really nice final one?
we're doing a few videos.
Alright, okay. Right. Didn't know that. Right, let's just both go ahead.
So it's Aquaman versus Killer Frost. This will continue into a second video, so make sure you watch the next one as well.
Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already.
See, this guy's good.
Yeah. Or, like our new Facebook page, it's the same name. How do you say it again?
No, with Appleton apples.
No, with Appleton apples. Oh, nice
Not
burp.
with a burp.
Yeah, don't write burp afterwards, or you'd probably look weird.
Probably find some weird page.
Probably porn.
Yeah.
Don't go on that site, that's mine. I created it. What the hell? Oh, come on, let's be honest.
If that could be my army, that would... Where did he come from?
I know, where did that sea come from? Alright, okay, well, I don't want to fight anymore. Can we just be friends? Come on. No, stop. Stop button spamming. Right, that is it. You're so...
This is excellent. You can reach so far.
You get a flawless victory. Oh, no, you're not anymore. Right, that's it. There you go. Boom, boom, pow. Meow.
He's still hitting up for a helicopter.
Damn, that was a bad round for me.
Oh, nowhere close. I got you! What is this? Alright, crushing
Oh,
the
that
wall.
was pretty cool.
And then a big another wall. And that's me raped in the bit.
If I have to button spam you, I will.
Would you stop hitting that poor helicopter? Like, let's be honest here. What did it ever
You can
do?
reach so far. And you're quite fast. Oh, damn it! I hate that.
Oh, I am so winning this.
I don't even want to play anymore.
How can Aquaman be that good? Like, everyone makes fun of him, but he's such a good character in this.
Look at me.
Okay, just make it underwater.
Under the sea, everything's better. Downwards, wetter, under the sea.
Lovely. Right, we'll see you in the next video. Make sure you watch it because there could be something good at the end. Hint, hint. Nudge, nudge, bye.
Have a great time.